Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy M51 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode with the back camera. So to get access to the mirror effect we have to change it to the front. We can do it by using this button here from the right. So hi again, and from here let's go to the left corner. When we tap on this button we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the useful features category. At the second position here we have this option picture as preview. So this is the mirror effect here, and it allows us to save selfies as they appear in the preview without flipping them. So by using this button we can turn it off and turn it on like that as we need. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.